Inside this high-tech factory, millions of tons of waste banana stems are transformed. The full process
Inside the factory, waste husks are transformed. The fibers are extracted, dried, and spun before being woven into mats.
Millions of hemp stems are fed into the system, beginning the transformation into high-quality, sustainable textile fibers.
The bagasse is transformed through a multi-step process, emerging first as clean pulp and finally spun into The wheat straw is first shredded and then pulped into a thick, natural fiber slurry. This is then molded
Look how strong these fibers are.
It's amazing what we can do with the kenaf.
Inside the factory, skilled artisans extract the rare fibers from the lotus stems, a meticulous process resulting in a luxury textile.
After harvesting the pods by hand, the fibers are transported here to be cleaned and processed by the ginning machines.
The full process begins by carefully sorting the husks, then stripping and soaking them before they are ready for the The process begins as cotton stalks are fed into massive shredders, breaking down the waste before chemical baths.
Inside the mushroom mycelium leather factory, growing sustainable material from fungi.
Through innovative biorefining, this pulpy residue is broken down and spun into durable, luxurious natural fibers for the fashion industry.
It begins with the coffee husks, which are broken down into a slurry, then extruded through a spinneret, transforming them into This is how millions of kiwi vine prunings or grownings are processed. The full process involves shredding, washing, and final. From massive piles of wine waste, we extract the cellulose, spinning it into a versatile, sustainable textile fiber.
The sisal fiber journey starts here. Once harvested, the leaves are crushed, washed,
After the harvest, the reeds are bundled and then transported to the workshop to be woven into these high-quality natural mats.
The full process begins with harvesting the stalks, which are then shredded and refined into high-quality natural fibers.
It begins with millions of tons of discarded barley straw. We feed the golden bales into our specialized shredders for processing.
Turning this pervasive waste into a resource begins with a massive harvest, followed by careful drying.
Ancient tradition meets cutting-edge technology to transform the banana fiber into a textile of unparalleled luxury.
The fibers are extracted, washed, and then felted together, transforming agricultural waste into a durable, sustainable vegan leather.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.
The process begins by breaking down the raw coconut husks. The coir pith is then sieved and compressed into these sustainable bricks.
How millions of cotton gin waste, or linters, are processed into premium fiber through this full, automated process.
From the moment the flax enters the retting vats to the final scutching phase, this eco-factory operates with unprecedented precision and scale.
The process begins as the raw kenaf is separated by high-speed beaters, then carded into a clean, continuous sliver.
The decortication machine separates the fiber from the pulp. The raw strands are then meticulously cleaned.
The raw coir is first fed into the brushing machine to remove impurities. The cleaned fibers are then
This is the full process. We take millions of tons of rice husks and, through sisal milling and extraction,
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified whenever we post new videos.